This is a short video about matter. So we know that everything around us is made of matter. Plants, table, wood, steel, dirt, soil, the air that we breathe, everything is made of matter. How do we know that those things are made of matter? Well, they have mass. Things like light doesn't have mass. They also take up space. So they have a volume that we can look at, measure. Our mass is measured in kilograms, and that's the amount of matter that's in an object. So if an object has kilograms, has mass, then it is a type of matter. Taking up space is measured in litres, and another name for that is volume. And here we have some samples of matter. So a soft drink is matter. Copper sulfate, copper metal, nickel. Here we've got some ferrous sulfate, all matter. As to the glass, the table, everything here, the container, all made of matter. The only things that around us that we see and we see a result of is light, which is not matter. Light is energy. So it's an example of something that's not matter. So we have matter is all of the things around us that have mass and take up space. Now we can divide all of those things into groups. And the main two groups of those things are pure substances and the other is mixtures. And our mixtures are all the things that we have that are not pure. So they have some sort of contamination or added chemicals or added substance in them. They're not pure. Over here we have pure substances, and they can be elements. They can be compounds. As long as they're pure and they have no contaminants, contamination in them. So a contaminant in a mixture might be, we could have water, H2O, and we could have copper sulfate. Here we have two different things. They're not chemically joined together, and that is as a result a mixture. If we just had air as another example, it has nitrogen molecules, it has oxygen molecules, and molecules are just two substances joined together chemically that are bonded. We'll see that again later. Pure substances can be elements, so nitrogen only. When you have two different things mixed together and not joined together, not bonded, then they are mixtures. If they are pure, so a container full of just nitrogen molecules, N2, that is just a pure substance. It's not a mixture. So it's got to be something that's pure to be pure, and if it has several different things in it, it's a mixture.